Hi, I'm Shelley Wetzel, the inventor and owner of Django. It's a patented universal tablet stand and mounting system. I got the idea for Django when I saw Steve Jobs announce their first iPad several years ago. Not only did all of us want one, but I wanted to see it suspended underneath my kitchen cabinet. I wanted to be able to bring it down, turn it on the tablet, use it for looking up recipes, baking, cooking, whatever, and then put it back up. Django solved that problem. It allowed me to free up my counter space, but it also allowed me to use my tablet in a stable environment. Our kitchens, we know, can be very messy and lots of traffic. But in the design process of Django, I realized that I could also use it without the mounting system. I could use it flat on any surface. I could use it in my home office. I could also use it in the garage, working on projects, and also in my arts crafts sewing room. So far, I've invested over $50,000 of my own money. And with that, I've been part of several different business competitions, of which one in fall 2014, I was a winner at the Shore Hatchery competition at Salisbury University. With that, I've also been working with TEDCO, an organization in Maryland, not only for business coaching, but also I've gotten a recent grant from them. The grant was used to do some final design tweaks to Django. It needed it for manufacturing purposes. And we used a company in Baltimore called Harbor Designs. They have now finished that, and they're now ordering prototypes from overseas, which will be machined aluminum. From those prototypes, and other prototypes I will get done with a company in Gaithersburg, Maryland that does 3D printing, not only in plastic, but now in aluminum. I will use those prototypes to start the process of getting Django launched. Right now, our marketing strategy is to get 1,000 prototypes, plastic and aluminum, out into the marketplace. And there's several options we're going to do to get that done. Number one, we're probably put 100 or 200 aside as pledges for crowdfunding campaign. Second, we're also going to introduce and demonstrate some of them to big box store reps, as well as take some to specialty gift shops. When I originally had the aluminum prototype in the different colors, many people said, Shelley, that would be such a great gift. So let's take them and introduce them to different specialty gift stores. Maybe leave a couple on display so we can take orders in. Another way we're going to do it is we're going to submit some to the very favorable website, grommet.com, and have them to be ordering as well. Then we're going to do something like home shows, sort of like those old-fashioned Tupperware shows. We do demonstrations, bring some food and drink in, maybe make a recipe, put that Django underneath the kitchen cabinet and do a show and tell with it. And then we're also going to send about 25 or 30 Django prototypes out to the leading technical and consumer blogs and websites. Let them write up about the new product. Let us get some free press out of it as well. And then for an official launch in mid-October of this year, we're going to exhibit at the Metropolitan Cooking Trade Show in downtown DC at the DC Convention Center. They have over 18,000 people attend in our prime launch market, which is kitchen and housewares. So having all this variety of people come and being able to sell plastic and the aluminum version would be a great launching spot for Django. Our production goals. For the plastic version, I'm currently in talks with a company in Washington State. They have over 20 years of experience in producing and distribution worldwide of different plastic products for the home, mostly the kitchen, including serving dishes, mugs, plates, utensils. And they're interested in licensing Django. As far as the aluminum version, to manufacture it in the quality we want, which is aluminum casting, you would have to do an order of a minimum of 5,000. And for that, as well as the custom packaging to go with it, would be approximate cost of $125,000 for us to do that initial production run and get the aluminum market off the ground.